All right, guys, I'm Jonathan with iBarra's Food Truck Builders, and today we're delivering for Area 15. It's been a project that we've been working on for the last 45 days. We were on a time crunch. Incredible, man. My entire team worked really hard for this day. We did the delivery just now, and the health inspector is going to be here any minute now. So we were here just on time. We're just setting it up, making sure the refrigerators have temp, the hot water's at temp, just waiting on the health inspector. Okay, guys, now let's get right into it. I'm going to show you the entire thing. Today, we're doing the big delivery for Area 15. We're on a crunch. They have a health department inspection right now in 30 minutes, and it's about a 20-minute drive from my location. So again, we're just hooking up right now. We're filling up the water tank right now because the health department's gonna check the hot water. We're gonna make it out there. We're gonna pass the inspection, and then these guys are gonna be ready for tonight's event. So let's get right into it. So right now, we're filling up the water tank, fresh water tank. Up above over there, that white little pipe is the overflow. So as soon as it's full, it's gonna shoot out of there. Down there is the gray water tank. We were testing it, so it is full. So right now, we're draining it so that it's completely empty and they could start off completely fresh. Right here's the water heater. We don't really need to mess with that unless there was a problem and we need to reset it. That's where we go to restart it. So those of you guys who don't know what a gray water tank is, that's where all the dirty water from the 3-compartment sink and hand sink go to. There's a 50-gallon fresh water tank up above, and then there's a 60 gray water tank underneath the trailer. These are health codes. Every food truck or food trailer needs these things. So guys, also very important, you cannot have both tanks full. The health department will get you for that. If the fresh water tank is full, then the gray water better be empty, because if they're both full and they find out with the water gates that's inside, you will get dinged for it. You will get fined. They're gonna know that you're probably dumping the gray water out on the street. Luckily, this is clean water, okay? So I'm good. So one of the most important thing when doing these food trucks and food trailers is making sure that the wrap looks incredible. Area 15 had this unique design here that it's gonna fit their whole entire design. If you guys ever need help with designing something, we have a designer. They'll come up with a menu. Either one of the biggest things also is to put food all over your trailer. These guys don't need to have it on their trailer because they're gonna have a menu that's gonna pretty much showcase everything already. Also, before you guys head out to work or anything, you always wanna make sure your tires are full of air. You do not wanna drive off with flat tires. That'll ruin your guys' axles, your rims, and you could possibly have an accident. So always have a lot of pressure on your tires. Like Area 15 is not gonna be mobile. They're gonna be stationary. They have a location where they'll be parking. So they don't have to worry about getting a mobile license or moving around or anything like that. They have their location, so they're gonna go for a stationary license. Just kind of like street tacos, we also have just stationary licenses because they never move. If you're mobile, you're planning on going to different events all the time, then I highly recommend you go with the mobile license. You could also have both if that's something that you're trying to do. Sometimes you want to be selling in one location but want to go to other events, then I recommend you get both licenses. That way they don't give you any problems. One of the biggest things is checking out all kinds of office events, corporations events, or just all the events in general that Vegas has to offer. They're really big. I got people that don't even work day to day. They only hit all the events. And with that, they're good for the year. So one of the most important things you want to do is be careful, and before you head out, you want to make sure you have propane in your gas tanks, and you want to make sure you have water in your tanks. A lot of people head out to events and have no idea. Oh shit. All right, man, so we really got to rush right now. We're about 20 minutes away, and their health inspection's here in about 30 minutes. It's 8:49, so I'm gonna try and make it as fast as I can, and let's hope we don't miss the inspection. If they miss an inspection, it's probably gonna be like another week, and I can't have that because they're gonna have an event coming up, and without this inspection, they cannot work it, they cannot operate it. So everything would be ruined. Everything we've been working for would be pretty much over, and we wouldn't make this big event that they really wanted this trailer for. So we're gonna get out there as soon as we can. Hopefully there's no traffic. All right, guys, so it's 9:08. We're about 10 minutes out, and then we still have to go and find the spot where we have to park. It's gonna cut it on time, but I think we can make it. We should be fine. Yeah, Teddy. Yeah, now I'm going to, yeah. All right, what do I do here? Kind of like how we used to go to the shop. I'm gonna park in front of the shop. Oh, turn right? I just passed Mead, so I'll go back. I'm just right on the other side of the street. I just got to go back a little bit. Okay, so make a right on me, you said? All right, let me hang up. So I'm gonna hang up on you. Did he back up? All right, he might be a little pissed at me, but all right. What's up, bud, right here? All right, cool. All right, these are the guys right here, man. Here's the team. We made it happen, guys. We're almost there. Health inspector will be here any minute now, but I think we should be good. 45 days just for this moment right here. This is what it's all about, guys. Teamwork, man. I have an incredible team, man. These guys worked really, really late last night. I mean, basically a double shift just to get this out. And even this morning, we're still doing a couple of last touches. But again, I'm very, very thankful for my team, and we're making it happen. Man, this is so cool. Check this out. I've never been here. When's the last time you got one of those little horses? Horses are not there yet, but maybe next time I come, I'll hop on that horse. Wow, look at that, man. That's a big plane right there. What's up, man? Back up more. 12 inches, okay, that's good. All right, that's good. Everything's good to go. Temperature's ready to go. So, all right, guys. So we got 5 minutes until inspector gets here. We're here just on time. All right, you guys ready? You ready there? Actually, let me make sure your ACs are off so it doesn't hit the power all at once. Good. Looking good. How's it going, guys? All right, guys, so right now they're doing the health inspection right now. They're inside the kitchen, so we're not gonna go ahead and film in there while they're doing their thing. It's a very private thing, just the health inspector with the client that's gonna be running the kitchen. In my hand, I'm holding the LP inspection. So I am licensed to do an LP inspection, which is testing the pressure for all the propane. And this is something that you have to have. It has to pass, it's really important. You gotta get the client's signature, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done right now. These are very, very important things that you have to be ready for in order to pass inspection for everything to go smooth. If you guys ever have any questions on these kind of things that come up, don't forget to call me or text me. Most likely text because the phone's always going off. The number will be right below. It's 702-601-3691. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, share, subscribe, guys. And remember, I will take care of you guys. Please ask me. That helps me help you. All right, guys, something very unique about this trailer is their self-serve POS system, how it's built into the wall. That way, whenever they close up, you can actually go ahead and just close it right here, just like this. And that way, nobody can mess with it. You can lock it in, you close it, it cannot be open. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, go ahead and let us know and we'll help you guys with the model, design, whatever you guys want to do. Highly recommended, and it will save you an extra employee, or if you're really busy, at least you have 2 people. You don't have to get 2 cashiers. If this is something that you guys are interested, let me know and I'll show you guys how to do it. So this big truck right here couldn't make a U-turn, so I have to drive all the way out backwards, but I'm a pro, so let's just hope I don't hit shit. I almost hit that thing. We're gonna go to the other side of Area 15 to the other food trailer that I had built for them, what is it, almost 2 years ago? And they have a couple of things that they want repairs on, so I'm gonna go out there right now. We're gonna do some measurements. It's called the Beast. So if you guys are ever out here at Area 15, go check them out, man. These guys are amazing. The wrap on that trailer also came out incredible. Beautiful, beautiful trailer. Very similar, but the wraps, the design's very different foods. I like taking care of these guys. These guys are amazing. They're great to work with, and looking forward to doing more trailers for them. I know they have, they were talking about making a coffee trailer. So I think that's up next. I will keep you guys posted on that. All right, guys, so we just got done delivering Area 15. Everybody was very happy. Health department passed everything. They were impressed with the trailer. They loved it. They liked it a lot. Fire department also, man, they were just shocked. I mean, these guys have seen a lot of my works and they just love everything that we push out because they know that everything's up to code. We're compliant with everything. And again, we've always worked very, very good with them. Today, we got a busy day. We're gonna continue on. We got a lot of things going on, repairs, remodels. We're getting ready to start round 14. And so we're pushing the last months out. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Now it's time to get back to work.